Today we are in a big resort. It's pretty epic, and we are going on the other side where I will be doing some review of the Torvol Freestyle Bag. What's up guys, it's MGFPV here, and today I'm gonna show you the Torvol Freestyle Bag. Let's open it. Start from the beginning. So here we have our quad. You can easily remove it. First pocket, you can put your lipo inside. I think you can fit maximum 4 lipo. Now I have just 3 because I left rest of them in the car. Another thing is the place for your goggles. It's pretty nice because you can remove them like straight away. You don't have to take them from the backpack. They are attached to the side of your bag, which is nice. Alright, let's open the bag. So, let's start from this side. Here, you can put your props. I think you can fit around 4 bags of props, maximum 5. Depends what props you have, but yeah. So this is the first pocket. Another one is the main one, which is place for my transmitter. And on the sides you have also like small pockets where you can put rest of the things like cable for your GoPro, SD card. Here I'm keeping my antenna, spare lens just in case, especially when you're flying on the abandoned spots. On the other side you have again 2 pockets where I'm keeping my straps for the quad just in case, and another one it's empty for now, so yeah. And here on the side you can put some screwdrivers, zip ties, whatever you want. You have like 3 nice pockets, which they are really long, so you can fit here like almost everything. I need to open this more, so you will gonna see how it looks like, which is pretty nice. And let's open the rest of it. So yeah, now you can see everything what you have inside. So here you have this magnetic pouch where you can put some screws wherever you want, and they will always be here, so you don't have to be worried you will miss them or something or whatever. Here you have another place for, I don't know, whatever you need. Seriously, this bag is epic because maybe it looks so small, but you can fit your transmitter, your vlogging camera, antennas, goggles, quad, 4 lipos, 4 packs of props, and also, what is the best thing, is this one. If you have this one, you can do everything. So, if you are in the place like this, like bundle with a lot of dust and everything, you can just take this one from the back, put your quad, and repair it. When I'm using my backpack, it's always a big problem. It's always heavy, and it's not that comfortable. And if you are going somewhere for, I don't know, 4 or 5 packs, you can put everything into this bag. And I think it's much better than the backpack, especially right now when I am on the FPV holidays. I can keep rest of it in the car. If I need, I can swap it. Okay, so let's close it, and I'm gonna show you again how it looks like. Okay, so you can see from here you have some straps. So here I'm putting my transmitter, and I'm using this. And I'm using the straps to secure my transmitter. Okay, Another thing, it's my vlogging camera, where I'm putting exactly here. Spare motors, goggle batteries, screen protectors for my GoPro, antennas for the goggles, and to be honest, I think I could even fit like 2 packs of props on the top of the transmitter, because it's still like a lot of place exactly here as well.